All right, doing an air filter. This is a 2014 Dodge Charger with a 3.6 V6. First thing we have to do, open your hood. The release is down here. This is a dead wire, don't worry about that. Coming over here, there's a latch under here. Just like that, and it comes up. This is where the air filter sits. You just need a 3/8 socket or a flathead screwdriver, and that'll remove all these bolts. It does make it a little easier to go ahead and disconnect this PCV hose and just let that sit right there. So now we just have to undo all of these bolts, and there's just those two, and we can get it out. So all three are out. You'll see there's two notches that this thing goes into. Just lift up, just like that, and it's out. Remove your old filter. This one's actually not horrible, but we'll still go ahead and replace it. This is the new one, 49746. I'm using a Wix filter. So just get the new filter. Stick it on in. Just make sure everything is nice and flat. And you'll see these notches. I'm just gonna move those back. Just like that, so it's locked in. And there you go. And then just put the 3 bolts through. Just reconnect your hose, and that's it. That's how you replace one of these filters. Really not that bad. Stay tuned for more videos.